Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most underrated muscle cars of the late 60s, the 1969 Dodge Dart GTS. It wasn't the flashiest, but it packed a serious punch under the hood and delivered performance that could make even the big names sweat. Let's take a closer look at what made this compact Mopar such a hidden gem. Exterior. From the outside, the 1969 Dodge Dart GTS looks deceptively simple. Clean lines, sharp edges, and that aggressive stance. But look closer, and you'll see the muscle lurking beneath. The front end features a bold split grille with dual headlights and a GTS badge that means business. The long hood and short rear deck give it that classic late 60s muscle car silhouette. Chrome bumpers, hood scoops, and sporty side stripes completed the no-nonsense performance look. Buyers could choose between the hardtop coupe or convertible versions, both offering a perfect balance between style and speed. And with optional Magnum wheels and bright color options like Hemi Orange or Bright Blue Metallic, the Dart GTS turned heads everywhere it went. Interior. Step inside, and the interior continues that same blend of simplicity and sport. The cabin was driver-focused, with a clean dashboard, full instrumentation, and optional tachometer for the enthusiasts. The bucket seats were trimmed in vinyl with optional center console, giving you the true muscle car feel. No luxury here, just pure driving focus. Still, the Dart GTS offered amenities like power steering, AM radio, and air conditioning if you wanted a bit of comfort with your performance. Now, here's where things get serious. Under the hood, the 1969 Dodge Dart GTS came standard with a 340 cubic inch V8 producing around 275 horsepower, light, quick, and eager to rev. But if that wasn't enough, you could upgrade to the 383 Magnum V8, pushing out a thundering 330 horsepower. And for those who wanted the ultimate beast, Mopar even built a few factory Hemi-powered darts, though those were strictly race machines. We're talking 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, impressive for a car this size. The light body, short wheelbase, and wide stance made the Dart GTS surprisingly agile, perfect for both drag strips and back roads. Power was sent through a 4-speed manual or a TorqueFlite automatic transmission, depending on how you like to drive. Add in heavy-duty suspension, front disc brakes, and a dual exhaust system, and you've got a small car with big attitude. The 1969 Dodge Dart GTS proved that you didn't need a massive car to make a massive impression. It combined compact size, classic design, and V8 muscle into one unforgettable package. Today, it's a favorite among Mopar fans and collectors, a symbol of raw, unfiltered performance from the golden age of American muscle. So whether you love it for its style, its sound, or its speed, one thing's for sure. The Dodge Dart GTS is a reminder that sometimes, the best muscle comes in small packages. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car stories, and comment below. Would you take the Dart GTS over a Mustang or Camaro from the same era? Let's hear your thoughts. See you in the next one.